As usual, magbiyahe na naman kami. Pagod ako dahil sa kahapon, di ba? Sa pag-drive natin kahapon. Hello guys, anyway, hello, good morning. Good afternoon natulog, bumangon ako kaninang umaga and then gumising ako and then yun, pahinga kami ni Tami. Hanggang ngayon sakit pa rin yung mata ko kasi kahapon gano'n na talaga ako, sobrang pagod na yung mata ko, gusto nang matulog and then nagising ako sobrang aga, natulog ako sa couch. Sakit pa rin guys yung mata ko dito, sobrang sakit. But anyway, so ngayon ang desisyon ni Tami mag-grocery. Alam mo na addict siya sa burger, so ngayon bibili na naman siya ng burger. Pupunta kami ng tindahan, litsi na naman, and then bibili din ako ng gulay para salad kasi gusto kong mag-salad guys. So yun, salad and then baka yun, mag-salad tayo kasi gusto kong mag-salad. But anyway, susamahan nyo kami ni Mr. Grocery na naman, diba? Can I get this? And I get some. This one for the salad. You wanna get this? Oh, I get this one. Okay, can I? Which one is one? This one is better? Okay, then I said I get one in here.
Yeah, these are dollars for food, so you better open it here.
Yeah, I get one of this or two. I said 3, you always get 4. If I get 5, you get 6.
That'll work.
Yeah, so get 0, honey, please. $3.40 total. Per pound is 189, 180. I will marinate it and then cook it tomorrow.
$6.49.
No, put it down because we still have some in the house.
Price.
No, not that. I don't like the season already. Oh, it's right here. Tami. Uy. For the No.
Yeah, we get the two.
We have time. No, time please. How much is it?
$14.
Jesus.
I need it.
Huh? Is that what you're using? That's a small one. Huh?
I forgot this.
Hello guys, andito na kami sa bahay. Ready na ako, magluluto na tayo guys para dinner. I forgot na andito sila sa labas. Oh my goodness! I forgot! Goodness, Mama, forget. I forget! Ado, yan ang Mama, forget na!
Tell her. You leave me out there. Tell her.
It's time to put the steak in the bag. Okay? That's your thing. Or else I'll cook it tonight. Hi guys! Ginamit ko yung regalo ni Tami sa akin na yung cameraman natin, 'di ba? Hi guys! So, ito po yung binigay ni Tami sa akin na ginamit ko na po. Gamitin natin kasi hindi din ako marunong kung paano siya gamitin. And then, itong cameraman ko guys, sumusunod sa akin. Regalo din ito ni Tami. Ang ganda guys, sumusunod kahit saan ako. Sumusunod. Guys, I really like this guys. Oh my god, this is the best gift. Thank you, love. It's a nice gift because I don't need a cameraman. It will follow me. I'm just gonna put you over there. And let's cook the rice. Kasi andito din yung rice dito. Hi, I'm here. Don't forget my face. It's tracking my face. This. So, gamitin natin itong rice cooker ni Mister. So, yun guys. And, lagyan natin ng tubig. Come on, pasok. Sulod kayo. Sunod kayo sa akin. As usual, hindi ko na kailangang ipalapit natin para makuha yung Hindi ko na kailangan ng ang ganda guys because it's stainless steel ang ito. Yan. Magandang brand ito. Maganda din yung Ninja pero itong Pioneer Woman is one of my favorite brand kasi yung mga gamit sa bahay. Yung Pioneer Woman. Gusto ko talaga sila, promise. And so, let's use this. Igamitin. Pasensya na, guys. Ay, nag-English ako paminsan kasi Mr. is here. So that he will understand some of my topic.
I don't understand nothing about it.
Okay, can you go over there?
Nothing I don't understand.
Come on, talk to them. They will follow you.
Nope, I don't know.
Ayaw talaga niyo, guys. So, this is a nice gift. Tammy bought this. And, which is really good, guys. Kasi, like, ako lang, no. I'm an individual thing. Like, I'm alone of vlogging. Because my husband is, you have to tell him to pick up the camera. It's following him now, guys. Now you, it's following him now. So, where the heck it is? Hey. I'm right here. Come on, follow. Come right here. I'm right here.
Do it enough. Pick up another person.
Yeah, it will pick up. That means.
Next person.
Yeah, it will follow. Yeah. But anyway, so that's what it is. So maganda siya pang vlogging na ikaw lang mag-isa. You know, for like if nag-grocery ka, ganun, ilagay mo lang yun. May tripod ka na, Juby tripod, ilagay mo lang siya sa cart. Magpa-follow yan sa'yo. Yung Hey, I'm right here. Come on, follow. Come on, right here. It's a nice camera, guys. It's a nice thing.
Well, you turn your back on it.
Yeah.
You don't like when you turn your back on it.
They don't like when you turn your back. So, come on, follow me right here. Right here. Come on. Right here. So, where is that thing? So, come on. Right here too. I like it. Look. La 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 la. My husband is like so excited. Ang Tami, excited man siya nito, guys. Excited siya nito. Siya yung excited sa mga regalo niya sa akin. Pero binalik ko yung isa. Okay, so how I can close this thing? Come on. This one. Okay, so I should wash this though. Kailangan kong i-wash. So it's hard to close this. I don't know how to close this, but
All the way inside here.
and then
That's it. It's closed.
Tommy, what is this mess right here?
It's my micro mess. It's parts in the microwave. Of course, I had a flagpole because it's broken. The flags.
He's just making fun of me. He said micro mess. He think I'm kidding.
Well, I was talking about you. I'd say mini mess.
Oh my
Oh
goodness.
my goodness.
Come on, right here. Look at this. Look at.
Oh my gulay.
Oh my gulay kakaron. Mas mabuti pa. Ito, taranta ako, guys. Sus, ginoo ko. Pag open ni Tami sa vent, oh my God. Ang lakas. No, 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 don't do it yet.
Why?
Okay, can you look? Do you wanna look? Do you wanna try? Be careful with your face. Hello. You should unplug it, love. What it says?
There's a lid.
Hello. Oh shit. It's cooked. Yeah, it's cooked. It's cooked. Can you go? No, no, I know what.
How do you know there's not water in the bottom? Okay.
Close it. Halatang hindi sanay gumamit ng pressure cooker, mga ignorante. Thank you guys!